Welcome to the very first Rum for the Weekend show, a rapid, quick-fire recipe inspiration show featuring some of your favourite rums, some banging mixes combined together to make some awesome simple serves. All the recipes will be in my Discord community, so if you haven't joined us yet, come and join us. The link will be in the description below. But each week I just aim to bring you 5 different serves, so simple, so easy that you can make at home this weekend for your parties, for yourselves, for your pub menus, whatever takes your fancy. So we'll start down this end. The first serve I've got for you is a very simple Dandelion and Burdock Daiquiri. Yes, you heard that right, a Dandelion and Burdock Daiquiri. The rum I've used for that, let's try and get you a little close-up of that, is the new Mad City rum from Foxhole Spirits. You might know them for their gin. It's a cracking botanical rum, this is. The rums are sourced from, let me get this right, the rums are sourced from Guyana, Dominican Republic, and Barbados and Jamaica. And they kind of make it essentially like a gin. It's kind of redistilled with botanicals, and some of the botanicals they use in this, coconut, orange, coffee, and citrus and spice. So I've brought that together, simple recipe with lime, and I've used my mate George, William Fox's Dandelion and Burdock syrup. That is a cracking daiquiri. So again, a Dandelion and Burdock Daiquiri, you can't go wrong with that. The second one I've got is Thomas Hurst's 2 Swallows, brand new pineapple and salted caramel rum. It's the lower ABV version, 38% ABV. I've just very simply made a pineapple and caramel old fashioned. All I've done is some bitters, some almond bitters in there with some Demerara sugar syrup. That is absolutely gorgeous. That's one to start your evening. That's possibly one for after dinner if you like. Really, really cracking. The third one I've made for you, what have we called this? A honey and raspberry Collins. This is featuring the honey Bell Spiced Rum. I call this a liquid crunchy. It's made in the UK, it's a UK sort of spiced rum. We've got notes of obviously sort of honey and chocolate coming together in there. But the mixer I've used for this is Gunner's Pink Punk, essentially a raspberry soda. The cool thing with about that, the sugar is stripped away, but they've kept the flavour, which means if you want to add some flavours to it, you can. So what did I add to this? I added some honey syrup just to kind of bring that through a little bit more. So we've got honey on honey, but that is absolutely gorgeous. So a honey and raspberry Collins. Next up, I really, really love this, a tropical highball. What could you want more from this? This is featuring the Lover's Rum. Let's put that there for you. It's a rum that I've had a while, a blended rum, and the rums used in this are Barbados, Dominican Republic, Guatemala, Nicaragua, and Panama. It's an absolute crime. Mr. Daiquiri himself created this for a go-to daiquiri rum, but I think it works exceptionally well in highballs as well. So this one, I paired up with Stratford Soda's tropical mixer, which is hints of pineapple and coconut. But then, to give it even more of a sort of a tropical twist, I've used William Fox's guava syrup in there as well. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. That's just a fun, fruity one. And then to finish it off, I've gone for a faff-free spiced mango mojito. We've used Sly Dog's spiced rum in there. You know, we can't be bothered to go and pick mint sometimes. The mint is not brilliant this time of year, kind of autumn, winter sort of times. We have to wait in the UK, we have to wait until sort of late spring, summer to get some mint. So to make it faff-free, again, I've used William Fox's mint syrup. It just replaces mint, even all year round. You know, it just saves you from buying mint. It's absolutely, or growing mint or picking mint, absolutely amazing. And then the mango, you might have guessed it, my mate's Rubicon soda there, so we've got that combined in there. All 5 of those are absolutely amazing. As I say, the recipes will be in my Discord community, so do come and join us. I hope you have a cracking weekend. Let me know in the comments below which one that you fancy drinking, but for now I'll see you next Saturday for even more recipe inspiration.